here in Wellington. I'm with Elliot. Actually, ano ngayon? Thursday today. Nandito lang kami actually para pumunta sa Philippine Embassy bukas. So bukas yung schedule ko. So Thursday today, meron tayong time para maglibot-libot. Wala naman kami talagang itinerary as wala kaming ginawang anything. So nandito kami ngayon sa airport. Kahalapag lang natin. Look at this. This is so cool. So cool. Ang lamig ngayon, medyo cloudy yung weather. So medyo malamig. We didn't rent a car for this trip kasi saglit lang naman. From Thursday to Saturday lang kami. So magbabus lang kami dito. Hindi pa namin na-try magbus dito ever. Pero feeling ko, same lang naman dun sa Auckland. So okay na. Dito, is this where we wait the bus?
No, I'm just gonna go put this in and then go find it.
So we're gonna look for the bus stop. Going to the place where I don't know, but we're gonna go to try the cable car. It's like an old tram. So we'll head there and see what it's like. Then later, we'll check into the hotel kasi yung check-in is 2 p.m. pa. So marami pa kaming time. Ano pa lang ngayon? 11:30. So pwede pa kami mag-lunch, tapos i-try yung cable car, tapos pumunta sa hotel.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Wala talaga kaming plans sa trip na to. So ngayon, nagbubook kami on the spot. So binubook ni Elliot ngayon yung WETA workshop. Ayan. So merong slot mamayang hapon. So punta kami dun after na mag-lunch. So magka-cable car kami, magla-lunch, tapos punta kami dun sa workshop. Do cable car. We do launch, cable car launch, WETA workshop, check-in, have dinner. Sounds good. Parang ang ganda na ng area dito. Ayan o. Ngayon na ako nakapunta dito sa area na to. Dahil last time, hindi naman kami talaga nakapaglipot-lipot nun. Pero ngayon, ayan, nandito kami sa... Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito sa lugar nito. Do you know what this place is called? Is this the city center?
Yeah, I think it's city center.
Ayan. So, ang daming tao. Feeling ko dahil nga Thursday ngayon. So, alam mo yun. May mga pasok yung mga tao. So, ang daming tao dito ngayon. Mga iba naka-formal. Tapos, ngayon, hindi na masyadong malamig. Kanina malamig. Kaya nag-puffer kami. So, meron kaming jacket. May hoodie kami sa loob. Tapos nag-puffer kami. Kasi kanina malamig. Tapos medyo maambon. Pero ngayon, okay na siya. Actually, yung weather, mas malamig talaga dito compared sa Auckland. Pero kasi, yung lamig talaga, mas nanggagaling siya sa hangin. So kapag yung wala namang hangin, okay lang. Pero kapag biglang humangin, dun siya sobrang lamig. Dun siya lumalamig. Kaya ayan, nakapuffer kami.
We can have two adult tickets return.
Yeah.
That's $24.
Cool, thank you. Thank you.
I think it was just less than 5 minutes, maybe like 3 minutes. I don't know, but it's very quick, but it's actually really nice. So now we're gonna go here to have our lunch. So it's the cable top. Sa taas to ng cable car. So sakto. So ayan yung menu. So dito na rin kayo magla-lunch. So ano talaga to? So pagtaas mo ng cable car, makikita mo na agad tong restaurant na to. And packed siya, ang daming tao dito. Merong breakfast from 8 to 12 p.m.
Yes, please.
It's actually raining outside, so good thing na nandito agad tong restaurant na to. At least, after namin kumain, hopefully, tumigil lang ang ulan.
Yeah, it looks really hot.
this is the view from the Cable Top restaurant. Ayan, medyo gloomy, as in, I mean gloomy talaga. Gloomy talaga, umuulan. So, hindi ko alam kung saan tayo pupunta. Babalik na tayo ngayon dito sa Wellington Cable Car. So, ayan yung Wellington Cable Car. Tapos, ayan lang yung Cable Top. 'Di ba? Sobrang ayun na ayun yung makikita nyo. Ayan, babalik tayo dyan. Nandito rin pala yung Botanic Garden. So, Botanic Garden.
Take a video of the airfield.
Oh, nice. Diba? So, dito tayo pupunta. We are here. Yan, we are here. Balik tayo. Dito ata. Yan. Ay, ayun yung tickets. Sobrang lamig. So it's so cold. That's what I'm saying.
It's over here.
Oh, it's here. So we're going to the hotel now. It's here. You can see. It's Microtel. This one. Let's go. Oh, there's a self-check-in. Another one. It's got receipt and then yung room number. And then we got that. So this is our room. Let's go. Nice. So this is the door. Elliot. Go. Tapos may mga andito yung switch. Tapos andito yung sa aircon, I think. Ayan, meron tayong hanger, lagayan ng mga damit, gamit. Tapos, ito yung toilet. Nice! Where's the switch? Okay. And then, ayan yung shower area. Merong mirror, may hand soap, toilet, towels, clean towels, extra tissue, and then we have blow dry. Ano lang, ano meron dito? Nothing. Ayan, meron pang soap, liquid soap. At least may blow dry. And then, paano ba ito? Then we have Hydro Base shampoo, hair and body soap. Ayan. Nice. Ayan, ang ganda. Malaking space. Meron tayong malaking space. And then, pwede ba natin i-switch? Pag namala. Nice. Ayun. Merong office area. And then, ito may mga mugs, glasses, kettle. Ayan, mga teas kung kailangan. Charging station. Then, meron tayong fridge. Yeah. Ayan, may milk yung fridge natin. Then, what's this? Lights? Alarm? I think alarm. Hindi ko sure. And then, may TV, may bed, queen size bed, I think. Tapos sa baba, merong pang plansya ng damit. Ayan. Meron tayong pang plansya ng damit. Ito, kabayo. Ayan. Medyo madumi yung ilalim. Medyo madumi. Ayan. Pero ito, at least, okay naman yung ating tutulugan. So, napag-desisyon na namin na hindi kami magbabas. So, inaantay namin yung Uber. Nag-book kami ng Uber papunta doon sa Weta Shop. Kasi, ano siya mga 40 minutes kapag binos namin. Pero kapag Uber, 10 minutes lang. So, mas mabilis. 3 something na. What time is it now?
3:10.
3:10 na. Tapos ang booking namin is 3:40. 3:40, right?
Yeah.
Was our booking. So, ayun. Yan. So, nag-aantay lang kami. Nandito kami sa tapat ng Microtel. Ayan. Dito lang kami sa tapat. Yan. Hi.
Hello. Elliot?
Yep. We're here. Hi, Ayan siya. Ito yung entrance. Entrance. Let's go inside. What? So where do we go?
Wow, entrance.
Huh? Entrance. Okay, let's go to the entrance. This one. Ito yung ticket namin. So, nakalagay dito, photography, filming, or recording of any kind is not permitted within our tour spaces. Ayan. So, later, hindi na ako makakapag-film. Ayan. So, mamaya, hindi na tayo pwede mag-film. So, ngayon, nag-film na ako. Para, meron na tayong mga, para mapakita ko na sa inyo na dito. Pero mamaya, hindi ko na mapapakita sa inyo kung ano meron sa loob.
Hey.
Wow, what's that?
Really?
Please do not touch. Look at that. Wow. Look how realistic this is. Look at that. Oh, look at these.
So feel free to pat it. You can also stick your fingers in it.
What?
Go
I didn't
for it.
realize that.
Go for it.
What? Oh, it's actually fluffy inside. Yeah. So these as well. It's so funny. Oh, you look real.
Yeah, you're like, what a good dog. Then that. This is definitely worth a visit.
Yeah.
So good.
It's so fascinating, like how they do things.
Yeah, yeah. And the amount of items.
Yes.
Oy. Be so afraid that she'd get herself.
So good. Look at the face, it's moving.
Actually, look surprised. Ready?
Yeah. What? Wow. Like even these ones all moving.
Oh, you can move it sideways as well. Do you want to show us some of this? Oy.
It has calluses.
Touch
It's
it.
very rough. We're in the bus now. Papunta na kami sa restaurant na pag-dinner namin later. Nandito kami ngayon sa El Matador. Ayan. Mamimili na kami ng food. Pero yung kanina na-enjoy talaga namin yun. Na-enjoy namin yung beta workshop. Sobrang amazing. Hindi lang talaga kami makapag-picture and video doon sa loob kasi bawal. Pero yung mga napakita kong clips na doon kami inalaw na mag-video. Pero yeah, masaya siya. Ito yung menu nila. Yeah. So, famous din yung wood-fired steaks nila. Ayan. Ayan. Sharing. Meron din silang sharing platters. Ayan. Pero magsaskip kami dito kasi sobrang busog pa namin actually. So magtatapas lang kami. Pero ito yung mga menu nila. So we have salad. And then meron kaming meat dito.
Short rib.
Short rib. No, short rib. Tapos may dadating pa kaming dalawa. Nakabalik na kami dito sa hotel. Tapos na kaming mag-dinner sa El Matador. Sobrang sarap ng food doon actually. Pero napadami yung order namin. Parang naubos na yung battery nitong Insta360. So, ang dami naming food na na-order kasi nga busog pa kami dun sa lunch na kinain namin. So, dahil busog pa kami, tapos ang dami namin order, parang nasusuya na ako dun sa kinain ko. Pero, actually, masarap siya. Masarap yung food. Tapos, generous yung serving, malaki yung serving, at na-enjoy namin talaga dalawa ni Elliot yung food dun sa El Matador. So, recommended ko siya kung pupunta kayo dito sa Wellington. Hindi naman ako food vlogger kasi mahirap, hindi ako pwede maging food vlogger kasi hindi naman ako magaling sa ganyan. Pero si Elliot, nasarapan siya dun sa El Matador. So, marirecommend ko siya sa inyo. Diba? Masarap. Is it nice?
Yeah,
Good.
it was really, really good. It was just big. It was just really big.
Yeah, which is, you know, if you know that it's big, then you won't order much. But because we didn't know that it was very generous, then we ordered. I think we ordered 4 plates. 4 plates yun. Tapos 3 meats and then salad. Tapos yun. So, konti lang, in fairness naman sa amin, tinry talaga namin ubusin. May konti lang kami natira, pero good job pa din naman kami doon. Tapos, yung pinuntahan naming Weta workshop, sulit siya for me. Parang ang bayad namin doon is 57 per person. Sulit kasi doon nakita talaga namin yung Power Ranger, as in yung may mga iba-iba, may mga weapons, mga guns, tapos yung mga costume nila, tapos yung mga kung paano ginagawa yung prosthetics sa mga movies. Ang dami makikita, tapos yung guide, very helpful din siya. Ina-explain niya kung paano nag-work, tapos kung ano yung mga movies na ginawa. Sobrang daming movies na sila yung nag-provide ng costumes. Yung mga movies na hindi ko akalain na sila pala yung gumawa nun. So, andun, pinapakita nila yung mga movies na sila yung nag-create ng costumes na yun. Sobrang interesting siya for me. Parang ganito rin yung feeling ko nung pumunta kami sa Japan dun sa Harry Potter studio. Ganito rin yung na-feel ko na parang sobrang na-amaze ako sa creativity. Tapos kung paano, sobrang detailed ng pagkakagawa, pati yung mga hairs, pati yung mga lahat, as in lahat, pati yung color ng mukha. Kapag tinignan mo, parang totoong-totoo. Grabe lang talaga, as in grabe yung creativity. Tapos yung mga akala mong metal, yung mga akala mong kapag tinignan mo, visually, mukha siyang metal, pero plastic lang pala siya talaga. Tapos yung meron to mga costumes na talagang years or like months talagang ginagawa para lang sa ilang minutong exposure sa movie, ganon. Ang grabe, sobrang intense. Pero sobrang interesting. For me, sulit siya, ma-recommend ko talaga siya. Inaayos namin yung TV kasi, ewan ko, last episode na kami doon sa pinapanood namin Korean drama. So, itatry namin panoorin siya ngayon para matapos namin. And it's, 7:30 na. So, magpapahinga na kami. Tomorrow, meron akong... Yung purpose talaga ng pagpunta namin dito is yung schedule ko sa Philippine Embassy para dun sa passport ko. So, yun. Gagawin natin siya tomorrow. So, kita-kita tayo tomorrow. Bye! Morning! Dito na natin dito sa Wellington. Nandito kami ngayon sa cafe. Malapit lang din sa hotel. So, meron akong mochaccino and then almond croissant. Tapos kay Elliot, Americano. Americano yung it's Americano. Naglalakad na kami papunta sa embassy. So, hindi na kami nag-bus. Maglalakad na lang kami para makapag-sightseeing. And in fairness, hindi umuulan. Cloudy lang. So, malamig. Pero hindi ganun kalamig. Actually, medyo warm na nga dahil nga naglalakad kami. So, nandito kami ngayon sa parang wharf siya dito sa Wellington. There, nakikita ko na yung Philippine flag. So, malapit na tayo. After how many minutes of walking? How many minutes?
Roughly around like 45 minutes.
Yeah, 45 minutes of walking. It's fine though because the weather is nice. So,
And everything's
I don't
quite
mind.
flat.
Yeah, it's easy actually. We're here. Do you see that flag? There. Ayan. Lapit tayo. Here you go. Embassy of the Philippines. Wow. We're done! So, nagawa na namin yung process. Yung bayad doon is, bali ang ginawa ko is nagpa-change name ako sa passport. So, hindi pa talaga expired yung passport ko. So, dahil nagpa-change name ako, bibigyan nila ako ng bagong passport. So, ma-extend yung validity ng passport ko. So, ma-reset siya for another 10 years, which is good. And, ang binayad namin doon is $103? Was it $103?
Yeah.
Mabilis lang, 30 minutes. Tapos na, kinuha lang yung requirements, kinuha yung documents. Tapos, syempre, hindi binalik sa akin yung passport. 105? So, 105, correction. 105, hindi $103 yung bayad dun sa passport. Tapos yun, kinuha yung requirements, binalik sa akin yung original copy ng birth certificate, tsaka yung original copy ng report of marriage na document. Tapos kinuha na nila yung passport ko. And ayun, biometrics, tapos pinicturean na ako. And then tapos na, so antayin ko na lang. Sa ang nakalagay doon, 6 to 8 weeks. So let's see kung 6 to 8 weeks talaga siya dadating. Ayun, kailangan may courier bag para doon na rin, yun na rin yung gagamitin nila pang ship nung passport. So yun, yay! One thing done. Ngayon, okay na tayo sa ating main agenda dito sa Wellington. Now, what are we gonna do next?
We're gonna go to the beehive and go take a few photos and check it out. The beehive is our parliament.
Yes. So that's what we're gonna do. Actually, we're so lucky because the weather is really nice now.
Yeah.
Like actually really nice. As you can see. Oops. Later. So look at the weather. Look at the sky. How beautiful that is, right? Look. So blue. Kanina, may pagka-grayish. Pero ngayon, it's so blue. And it's not even hot. It's not warm either. So it's perfect. Ito yung menu nila. Meron small bites, curries, ayan, rice dish, and noodle. So, order namin isang pad thai and then isang rice dish na chicken cashew nuts. Tapos, meron din sila ng ayan, dessert and like non-alcohol drinks. So, magla-lunch muna kami bago kami pumunta dun sa beehive at maglibot-libot pa. Madami pa kami time kasi mamayang dinner. Iminit namin yung brother ni Elliot and yung fiancé niya. And then, magdi-dinner kami together. Pero for now, ano pa lang, sobrang aga pa lang. 11:39. 11:39, so madami pang time. Si Elliot, pinag-iisipan niya kung magpapalit ba siya ng order.
I don't know.
Kanina sabi niya pad thai chicken, pero ngayon dahil may nakita siyang parang interesting. So iniisip niya magpalit ng order. Well, we will see.
So I can't decide between pad thai and this other one. So I'm just gonna go heads for the other one and then tails for pad thai. Tails. Alright.
So what's the tail?
Oh no,
does
I
it
forgot now. Tails was pad thai. Yeah,
Okay,
okay,
okay.
done.
Done. Ito na yung chicken cashew nuts with rice. Ayan yung order ko. And then kay Elliot naman is pad thai. In fairness, ang laki ng serving. It's very generous. It has a generous serving. Know what this is?
The beehive.
Is this the beehive?
Pretty sure it's the beehive.
It looks like a beehive.
And there you go, it's beehive.
So that's the beehive. Still very nice weather here in Wellington so far. Hello.
What's up?
So we're just gonna walk around, I think. We don't have any plans at all. Another option is we go to Tepaba Museum. We've been there before, but we don't mind going back because it's actually a really nice museum. Like one of the best museum I've seen so far.
Yeah.
Highly recommended. I think it's free for residents
Yeah, it is actually.
of New Zealand. Yeah, and then you have
International people are $35.
yeah, so it's paid for international visitors. I actually tried booking a public tour here in Beehive, pero ang sabi, nag-reply sa akin sa email na fully booked na daw sila, so hindi na kami nakaabot. Interesting sana yun, free lang yun, so kung meron kayong time mag-book or napagplanuhan nyo siya in advance, I think it's a good experience. Nandito na tayo sa harap ng Beehive. Ito yung itsura niya. Look at that. Hindi ko alam kung bakit wala siyang kulay sa labas. It doesn't have a color outside. It's like a cement. Nice. Ayan o, may mga tours dyan. Pero as you can see, full. Siguro dahil ano na rin school holiday. So baka maraming mga batang nag-book ng tour. El Papakura. Here. We're inside the beehive. Full na yung tour pero pwede daw tayong pupunta dito. Let's go. Yeah. Good photo spot here. So fully booked na talaga yung tours. Pumunta kami sa loob, tinanong namin kung merong nag-cancel, baka pwede kami sumali. So wala daw nag-cancel kasi nga, yun nga, school holiday. So madami talagang may gusto nung gumawa ng beehive tour. Pero pinayagan nila kami pumunta dun sa taas para makita nga yung parang mga arts. Hindi man arts. Parang mga gamit na mga binigay sa kanila over the years. So yun, medyo nakita namin. Maliit lang yung area, pero at least nakapasok kami sa loob, di ba? For the experience. Here's the Wellington Botanic Garden. This way. Look at these. Nice. Perfect weather. Perfect weather talaga today. Nagtanggal na ako ng puffer kasi nga habang naglalakad nag-warm na yung body. So, ayan. Perfect day for a walk talaga. Ay, hinihingal na ako. Hinihingal na ako kasi paahon yung inakita namin kanina. So, dumaan kami sa mga parang sementeryo. Hindi pa ako. Sementeryo talaga. So, dumaan kami doon. And then, may lusutan papunta dito sa Botanic Garden. Ayan. So, hopefully may mga flowers na. Spring naman na dito. Pero, syempre, malamig pa din. So, hindi ko alam kung ano. Wala naman ako expectation. Pero we will see.
I have no expectations as well.
Look, my cherry blossoms na. So pretty. Yeah. Ganda. Elliot's photography. How does it look like?
Wasn't as cool as your one.
Really beautiful. I feel like I'm in the Philippines. Look. Medyo warm yung ano dito, temperature. Ayan na, tingnan nyo. May saging. Yum. Pero mga payat. Ngayon, parang may orchid na dito. Hmm? Ayun no, may gumamela. Gumamela. Tapos may mga cactus.
Oh, these ones are fun.
Really cool. Dito kami sa isa pang room. Mas mainit dito. Tapos mas humid dito. Tapos feel na feel ko talagang parang nasa Pilipinas. Kasi mga ganito, diba? Gaya yung mga plants sa Pilipinas. Diba? Marami kaming ganito dati nung bata pa ako. Tapos yung mga ganyan. Ayan, diba? As in, pati yung paghinga mo na feel mo na humid siya. Ang Pilipinas feels talaga. Okay, so we're having a photo contest here. So we took photos of the flower. This is my one. Can you see that? Yeah, that's my one. What's yours, Macy?
The prettiest flower of them all.
Ah!
Oh, I think I win just out of pure cheesiness right there.
I did not expect that. I look so fat.
Can you even see it on there?
I don't know. Could they? I think so, a little bit.
Not really.
Look at the view. Pretty. And so we're here at Card Merchant. And then we got this one. We're trying to open it and see if we have luck today.
Capra. Whoa!
Wow,
Bulbasaur.
Pretty.
Dang.
That's so pretty. It's really pretty.
It's dope.
So we're trying to check how much this is. And then see. Wait, which one?
83. Top one.
$83.16 at the moment. Is that New Zealand dollars?
Yeah, it's kind of going up as well.
But it also went down.
Yeah,
So we'll see.
yeah, we'll see.
So they have a limit of 2 tins per person. So Elliot is there again buying another tin can and see if we get another hit. We bought another one.
I got lucky,
Amazing.
so my wife's lovely enough to let me buy one. I'm so happy. It's always a good day when I get to open up cards.
Meow
Meow.
meow.
Come on. Whoa,
Pretty.
nice.
What's that? Zapdos.
Zapdos.
That's such a pretty card. I mean, cute.
I don't think it
I-
goes for like a crazy amount, but I mean, it's cool.
It's not as pretty as Bulbasaur.
No, that was a pretty one. I would assume it goes for...
$5.
Nah, I think it'll be like
$2.
$15 maybe? $13.89.
Next stop is the Papa Museum. Nakapunta na kami dyan, pero babalik nga kami dahil nga worth it pa rin naman siyang balikan. So, lapit na tayo. This one. Hindi ko alam kung makakapag-vlog pa ako sa loob kasi naghihingalo na yung battery ng camera at maling charger yung nadala ko. Maling cord yung nadala ko. So, ayun, sad. Museum of New Zealand to Papa. Tongarewa. People here. Look at that. Come in.
Bleeding is occurring. A limb hopelessly manual or some immediate treatment is required. Chloroform is given and the operation performed at once.
This is what we did. Huh?
We folded that and made toppings.
We just follow this instruction.
No, we were just
And then we're gonna give it here. Ito yung kiwi bird. Ang tawag sa kanila is flightless birds. Look at these. Look at that. Touch. Oh. Shiny. Soft. Not soft. Smooth. Tapos na kami sa Te Papa Museum. Nandito kami ngayon sa time zone. So, nagpapalipas lang kami ng oras habang nag-aantay ng dinner later.
Ready?
Ready. Yes!
Jackpot!
It's gonna take forever because we have 1,000 tickets.
The highest amount. The highest amount. Jackpot!
Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi nawala na ng battery yung camera. So, nag-dinner kami. Nakalimutan ko na kung ano yung last video ko. Feeling ko yung nandun kami sa Te Papa Museum. Tapos time zone kami after. And then after nun, nag-meet up kami with yung kuya ni Elliot and then yung fiancé niya. So, nag-dinner kami sa may Oak Hotel. Masarap yung food. Na-enjoy namin yung food. Yung kinain ko is steak. Nag-stay kami doon mga 3 hours, I think, or 2 hours. 2 hours siguro. Dinner, tapos kwentuhan, ganyan. And then after noon, pumunta kami naglaro kami ng pools. Malapit lang doon sa area. Mga walking distance lang from Oaks Hotel. And then, bumalik na kami dito sa hotel. And tomorrow, babalik na tayo sa Auckland. Gabi pa yung flight namin, pero hindi ko alam kung makakapag-vlog pa ako bukas. Feeling ko hindi na. So tomorrow, mag-escape room lang kami with kuya ulit ni Elliot and then yung fiancé niya. And then siguro board games and then dinner. Tapos uwi na kami kasi gabi pa yung flight namin. Parang 9 p.m. pa ata yung flight namin pabalik ng Auckland. So end ko na yung vlog dito. End ko na talaga kasi feeling ko hindi na ako makakapag-vlog bukas. Pero kapag nakapag-vlog ako, edi good. Kapag hindi, eto na yun. So thank you so much guys for watching. Sa susunod ulit na vlog, kung kailan man yon, kung saan man yon, hindi ko alam. So susunod ulit. Bye!